Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to do an unboxing slash why did I return this bag, and then also this same bag is currently on the Versace sale. So about a week ago I got a call from my sales associate saying they're having the private sale, and I was out of town so I wasn't able to go, but I got a link. So I got the link and I noticed that this bag was listed for half the price. As it should. This bag technically is not worth the money. I returned it because I was just like, that's ridiculous for $1,000+ in this bag. Now let me tell you what drew me to the bag. I actually wanted the bigger size. However, they didn't have this color. I wanted this brown color. I've been like in this mood of buying like brown bags. So this bag I really wanted in this color. So I purchased the bag and it took a long time for them to come because it was coming from a different boutique. And the bag doesn't close right. So if you have things in there, it's going to fall out. I've never worn the bag. It was only I took it and I brought it home. If you can see on one side is like lower down, the other side is like up, and it will just pop open. It's hard to close. So it's like one of those things where you have to have stuff in there. You have to pull it and then snap it. The other thing is the strap is terribly made. Like it always twisting and turning. So if you try to put it on, like it doesn't do right. Like it's super weird. Like you can see right there, it took forever for me to close it. So if you're going to purchase the new wallet, know you're getting a good deal for it because it's half the price. Thanks for watching. Bye.